Binangonan. Kasi originally, ang Angono, barangay lang ng Binangonan. Pero ngayon, hiwalay na. Pero itong part na Binangonan side. So, na-discover siya noong 1965, the Botong Francisco, national artist. Pero nakukwento ng mga taga-Binangonan, Angono, na pupuntahan daw nila ito talaga nung unang panahon. Tapos dati, forested siya. Actually, yun ang isang reason bakit siya na-protect. At since pag-uus, kailangan pa mag-translate. And this is the reason why we're talking about conservation. One of the issues is since the area has been cleared, so it is now prone to weathering. So one issue is, do we bring back the trees in the area to protect it? Okay? Pero yung scientific excavation was, I think, 1974, if I'm not mistaken, by Dr. Jess Peralta of the Anthropology Division of the National Museum. So these were the early photographs when they excavated it. So it's a rock shelter. Mamaya tignan natin dyan. It's not a cave. A cave would have a cavern. A rock shelter is just a protrusion, like this. So Dr. Peralta thinks that it is not used for habitation. But for example, when it rains, people go there, nomadic groups go there and take refuge. So probably while they're there, they're etching whatever they saw or what, kayo na mag-interpret what they believe in. So this was Dr. Peralta during that time. And they were measuring and photographing the petroglyphs. Petroglyphs are rock art. So they're incised, they're etched, but they're not painted. There are 127 symbols in the petroglyphs. However, as you will see later, there's a lot of vandalism now. Okay? So you will see Sir Andrew was here, something like that. Okay? So these are new photographs. Here. 1998. 1998, when an international workshop on the Angono Petroglyphs was conducted. So, conservation specialists coming from different countries came and inspected the area. One problem is because the rock is limestone, so water seeps in and goes into the etchings. And this erodes again the drawings. So again, that's an issue whether to stop the flow of water coming from inside. The area that we pass through is a man-made tunnel. It's not part of the prehistoric site. Because originally, to access the area, you have to climb the ridge. So now they made the tunnel. This area, previously known as East Ridge Golf Course, is owned by FBR, but that's a secret. Now it's called Fiesta Golf Course. And this area was part of what they bought. So they donated this portion to the National Museum. Here they're testing ground movements. Because in Barangay San Isidro, there's a quarry site. So they're testing whether blasting in that quarry site could cause further deterioration, whatever. But unfortunately, very minimal movements. So they added plants for the visitors so that they could not go near the actual rock art as a means of protection. So these are some of the artifacts that were discovered not here but in the nearby region. So such as Tanay, Antipolo, I think these are Stegodon teeth, molars, and what else? Petrified wood, turtle, something, lip imprints. Drawing circa 1965, so we can compare it with today. Some of them have disappeared. Others, new ones, such as at that right side, of course, names of people who went to this area. So previously, there was no ramp and no railings, so people could just go near and touch it, which destroys the site. Unfortunately, there's no exact dating of when it was done. Jess Peralta used relative dating because, where is it? In that area down below on the grass part, they saw earthenware sherds. And based on the design of the pottery, they think it's about 3000 BC.
So, gano'n din yung sa Malaysia, yung sa PowerPoint mo, yung cave painting, 3,000 din ka.
So, and he thinks it's associated with this one. So, of course, there's a lot of, it's a double association. Dating of the pot based on styles, which is not exact dating. And then, if it's associated with this one, then it is probably the same period. But it's not exact.
But walang lab test ba doon?
Wala pa. Wala pa. Also, the holes there on top are made by birds.
Birds?
Yeah, yes.
Nidos mo?
So because before it was covered by vegetation, so it was more protected than now. Pati yan, marami yan, yung mga pock marks there, all are made by birds. Yung mga butas-butas.